Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make vegetable pulao. So let's get started.
I've got here one large carrot which I have peeled and cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half cup of frozen green peas, 1 large potato which I have peeled, cubed and soaked it in some water, 1 cup of cauliflower florets, half cup of frozen green beans. With the vegetables, you can use fresh or frozen, and you can also increase and decrease the amounts as well. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large tomato which I have chopped, 1 tablespoon of ghee, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. I've also got here some whole dry spices, 3 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, quarter teaspoon of whole black peppercorn. With the whole dry spices, you can omit the ones you don't want to use. 1 green chili, which I have split in half. 1 sprig of curry leaves. 2 cups of hot water. 1 cup of basmati rice, or you can use any rice of your choice. And 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Wash the rice 3 times and soak it in some water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place a large pot on medium heat, add oil and ghee and heat it. Add cumin seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add dry spices, chili and curry leaves. Mix it and let it cook while you drain the water from the potatoes. Add potatoes, give it a mix, cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Add green beans, carrot and cauliflower. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Add peas and tomatoes. Give it a mix, cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. Add coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric and salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. Give it a mix, cover it and let it cook while you drain the water from the rice and also reheat the water as well. Add rice and hot water and mix it gently. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. If your lid got a steam hole, close it with a piece of paper towel or a foil. After 5 minutes, add lemon juice, give it a mix and put the lid back on. Lower the heat and cook it for 6 to 7 minutes or until the rice is cooked. Turn the heat off, give it a light mix, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it is ready to serve. My easy vegetable pulao is ready and you can serve it with some plain yogurt, raita, papadum, fried buttermilk chilies, salad or any pickle of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.